Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video, and today is part 2 of trying to P-rank the noise with hard mode. Oh yeah, almost forgot, let's turn it on. Oh wait, awesome. There we go, let's do it. Oh, that isn't good. There's already enemies! Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I paired the bot on accident. Whatever. I still survived the bomb, at least. Didn't survive the bomb. Which one's my taunt key, so most of the time I just do that on accident. Okay, no! That was really bad. Ooh, finally got that one. Oh no! Get over here! No, okay, stop it now! Stop bouncing! Please, no! Robot. I'm gonna just carry the parry. Anyway. Or bounce it away. I'm good. Oh, he's still going! Oh, no, I was doing something else. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm still alive. What? Dropped 2 bombs in one spot. Thanks. move at all. No! This time it's not even hard mode that's killing me. It's literally just my stupidity and the boss. And now you're dead. Woo! I'm dead either way. I was trying to kill the cactus pickle dude. Didn't mean to do that, but whatever. That works. Nope. I'll just man. Ooh. I think it was pretty fun that one. I don't know. Wasn't paying attention to their lives. Just would you? No, no, no! Robot. Run. Oh yeah, don't summon a bomb on me, you stupid bootleg. No! Oh no! The David try. Oh. Ah. Oh. Yeah, never mind. Nope. Nope. That was completely idiotic. Nope. Doing that. Oh, he went over me. Okay, whatever. That works. That works. That works. Okay, halfway through first phase. This unforsaken boss fight. God, Cactus Pickle. Ooh. Oh no, no, no. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Stupid turkey tomato. No, no, the gnome, the gnome. Ah, it's the gnome. It was the gnome. The gnome. That's such a dead meme. Who are you, noise? Whee! Ooh. I'm not even doing it correctly. I'm just zooming around. That's what this boss been doing this entire fight. What? I parried it. I parried. What the heck? No. Up here. I'm tired of doing this. Okay. Yeah, no. Whatever. Nothing on the doodle. No, yeah, no, yeah, no, I couldn't make it. No. Yeah. I pressed the button! I pressed the button! Okay, whatever. It just didn't count in the first place. Whee! Whee! Trigonometry! Calculus! Geometry dash! Yeah. I was Stop freaking bouncing around the place! What are you, a trampoline? This place is a trampoline park. I mean, look at it. It's disgusting. It has this little random band-aids everywhere because kids kept breaking their arms into freaking trampolines. Oh, whatever. We're alive. Oh! We don't be turking around anymore. I hate that I'm just like having a bit pickles, pixels off, and I just like screw up the parry. Oh. Oh wait. Oh. Wait. No. Wait. Okay. Yeah. No. Goodbye. It just returns. Okay, you just killed me like about like a millisecond ago. How about I just summon myself again? Yeah, I think I might do it. I keep thinking he's gonna stop, and then no, he's just gonna bounce around again. I hate that. How about you normally do in the first couple of phases, but now it's like, no. How about I just go on for 5 years straight? No! Why is light on fire? I know. Step on the banana peel, why don't you? Oh no! No! The banana will screw me over. Okay. Yeah, okay. Thanks, banana, for scaring the absolute daylights out of me. Oh no, he's gonna go on for like 5 years on this one. Yep. Kill the. They're just there! And then none of them are hurting me. Okay, I literally had no idea which one killed me. I don't know if it was the turkey explosion or me ramming into the noise. By the way, I'm pissed. No. Wait, no. Okay, whatever. No! Wait, yeah! It's still counting! That guy's just there, like, hey, don't walk into like very convenient knife, sword, stick, whatever. Is that like a jousting sword? What is it called? Fencing? I don't know. I don't care about what type of sword it is. I know it's a sword. Okay, jeez. Dangerous dead pickle. Hate that guy. He even landed on the bomb. He's just like there. Like, yeah, I summoned a bomb like 52 millimeters away. Can you go walk there, please? Just beating this boss with hard mode is just already gonna be like a reward to me. Oh. Wait, did I just hit noise with the enemy? Or did I just hit two at once? Yeah, just pile drive yourself into the nearest floor, why don't you? Okay. Oh, eat my shorts. Oh, no! Also, it's still surprising that my first video on my YouTube channel has like more views than any of the other videos. Like very surprising to me. Okay, let's figure out whatever. Just hide here. And then, oh, yeah, throw a lag spike at me. Lag spike at me like I do. No, 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 not with the gnome, not with the gnomes, not with the gnome. Stupid garden gnome looking ahead. Swear to God. Walk away from me. No, there's two! Wait, run, run. Okay, okay. Still alive, still alive. Pow. Pow. No, no, no! Oh my God, it's always at the very beginning. Oh my God. It just looks like worried at each other. Okay. Let's camera real quick. Yeah. That's pretty good. Yeah. I keep going, I mean restart. No! Oh my god, 3 in a row, let's go! Boom! I hate the second phase already. Because it's like very confused on what's even going on. But now with hard mode, you're confused and getting taken down by like 52 different enemies from like a couple of levels. No! Okay, okay, that didn't count. Okay, that didn't count. Okay, okay, okay. The dream's still going. Let's go. Oh no. Oh no! Thank you, Banana Peel. Oh my god, the Banana Peel actually saved my life. Kill him. Let's go. Okay, okay. Now let's just. Oh no! No! Why would she summon the enemy there? Kill them all! No! Noise, can't you see? I'm stuck on a banana peel animation. You let me live for like a couple more seconds? Jeez. Pretty sure there's already a video on YouTube like beating the noise with hard mode. But this one I'm P-raking it, so it's different in one way. Yeah. You just try to swallow like a spoon or something, just like, wow! Did you choke on water? You're so stupid, I love it. Oh, wait, actually, yeah, this is explosion sound effect. Wow, amazing. That blue guy's just gonna be in the air for like forever. I think I'm deleted. Save him! The tremendous amount of lag, I guess. Tragic. Oh god, Nick, are you good? Why are you causing my game to like take 5 years to load the next 2 frames? Running on like Windows 95. I wanted to walk from him. What is that? You just walked slowly. Wait, no, 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 no! No! Okay, okay. The turkey itself saved me. But I still died. Yeah. If you just don't kill the enemies after a while, it just gets chaotic. No! Wait, did he just slip on the banana peel? Or, wait, no. No. What would be cool if he does, though? Yeah, no, it doesn't. I'll be up here. Ooh! Okay, 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 okay. I forgot he didn't stop. Okay. Now good. Nope, nope. Staying up here for the rest of my days. Thank you. And we're gonna slip on 2 banana peels. Boing. Just back into it. Swear to God, that cactus kills me. Okay, okay. Keep the dream alive. Let's go. Okay. This one he dies. No! Okay, it was he dies. I don't. Yeah, you see the issue of phase 2 is just like 3 things are going on at once, and now with hard mode there's like 8. Oh, that's a bit loud. No, don't. Oh, whatever. Okay, let's go. No, you don't know. Damn. Screw you, I'm breakdancing. Eat my pants! Ooh. No. I don't think so. No! He moved! He moved! He moved! He moved! Maybe. Stupid cactus pickle. I could kill it. Arm. I have no idea what that thing is supposed to be anyway. What, solar powered pickle cactus? Just ride that for like a millisecond. Oh no. Okay. Just boss. No. Oh no. Die just the way I did. With flour and everything. But without the flour. Oh no. Oh, it doesn't. No! Okay, no, screw you, and screw off. Okay. Oh my god. Die, noise. I'm gonna mute you. No! Okay. I thought I almost died. Oh my god. Got another banana peel because yeah, we need more of those. Yeah, we only have one more now. Fine. Oh my god! Why did he? What? Noise, are you good? Do you need insulin? Oh no. Oh no, he screwed up the noise! I hit him. No. Noise, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. No. Yeah, let's redo that. No idea that can even happen. I guess that's a thing. Hopefully they fix that and update or whatever. But they probably won't. Because most players are going to use debug mode to get hard mode. And play on the noise specifically. And trip on the banana peel and hit him. That's like very specific as hell. Nope. I want to go for here. And I'm just gonna wee. Guess adds a bit more to this challenge, or I can just kill. It's kill and make sure not to kill him with banana peel animations. Oh my god! Stupid ass parry! Just doesn't want to freaking work! I'm like 2 pixels off. Can you at least give me some slack? No. Instead, we're just gonna kill you. We're gonna run. You're gonna restart the entire thing. Okay, yeah, no. Okay, climb the wall. Wait. Okay. That one sounds like he's choking water and drinking water at the same time. Just like. Something close. Was even close. Was even closer to the noise. Just pitch it up. And then I'll start with the noise. No. What? What? I did not mean to uppercut. How did I even uppercut? How did I even uppercut? What? It's a bit hard to see in the noise because the heat meter thingy mabob is just dead center in the middle of the screen. That's slightly screen. Whatever. No! You're dead. Hopefully. No! Look at that smug face. I've literally never noticed that he uses like the jetpack for like most things in this fight. Oh, there we go. Thanks, Banana Peel. Almost died. Somebody's gonna jump right into that bomb! Screw that. Okay, actually, no. Don't screw that. Keep it. No, wait. No, I was gonna die. No, I was too slow, and now I have to wait. Ooh. I don't think it's possible to get to, like, any other thing higher than white unless you wait for, like, all of the enemies to spawn. Like, a lot of enemies on screen, and then kill them all. Yeah. I think that's, like, the only way to do that. Come on, that stupid electrocuted cat. I wanna boil you. See how you explode. Light it up like it's dynamite. No, what? What the? No! Okay, whatever. I just jumped. Just jumped. No! Okay. Thank you, Bomb. Thank you. Thank you, Bomb. I'm just here. I'm just here. Ooh, get parried. I'm going to sugarcoat it. Sucker. I am sugarcoating it. It's always like at the very beginning or at the very end. Like whatever, do it again. I'll do it a couple more times. Because I do not really feel like just playing the noise over and over and over again for this entire day. Oh! It was the double berry! Oh! Eat that! No. Nope. That ain't happening in a million years. Let's kill that real quick. I think I could just hide in the corner. Snake can't spawn any enemies. That's the strategy. If he goes over to the right, that means he can't spawn any enemies. Yep. Run out here. Okay, that's a strategy. Okay. Bye, bomb. Bye, bomb. No, 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 no! You wait a bit, please. Okay, we just go up here and just gonna walk away. We only have a couple seconds to kill the noise. And go hide. Go to the right. Go to the right. No, not to the left. To the right. Click side. Oh. Yeah. Wait. He's like, no. I'm just gonna come back here real quick. Forgot something. A little nice little spear in the face. My God. Oh no. Walk away or float away, please. Okay, whatever. I'm just scared of that stupid turkey tomato. Son of a loser. Oh, you kidding me? I want to see how much. Uh, oh, shows you how long before I died. Thanks, I guess. 11 seconds. That's accurate. Oh no! Oh no, that ain't happening. I do not. Oh no, 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 no. What's wrong button? Oh my God. Just gonna be a serious amount of it. Couple more tries. Someone's gonna. Couple more tries, and then I'm done out here. I ain't gonna deal with this for another half hour. Okay, I keep thinking I'm gonna die by something, but I don't. Oh no. He doesn't stop! He doesn't stop! Oh my God. Stop doing it. No, stop bouncing around! This place ain't a trampoline! Okay, last try. Let's do this. Do this good. Okay, well, I'm done. Thank you all for watching and have a nice day. Oh my God. So, I'm gonna die here.